Hi there, and welcome to the next video, Setting up Canvas with CreateJS. In the last video, we set up the development environment and the project file structure. In this video, we will set up the CreateJS library for the HTML canvas. We will install the CreateJS library and then include the CreateJS library to the HTML. Then we will write some testing code in a game loop and test the logic in browser. The website of CreateJS is at createjs.com. On the site, you can find the latest information and documentation. The CreateJS bundle comes with several libraries for different purposes. The easel.js is for drawing Flash-like hierarchy in Canvas. The tween.js is a tool to create in-between values for animation. The sound.js is for playing sound easily in web. The preload.js is for preloading assets before the game loads. We use the whole bundle in our game. We can find the CDN version of the code in code.createjs.com. Let's continue with the code from our last section. Open the index.html in Code Editor. At the end of the file, before we include our game.js file, we include CreateJS library. Please note that if you're using an older version of CreateJS, you may need to include the separate movie clip file for timeline animation to work. It is now included into the bundle since version 0.8.2. Let's open the game-es6.js file in Code Editor. We add some logic to the constructor that creates a CreateJS stage. We first reference the canvas element. Later, we may need to set the canvas width and height directly to the element. Then we create a CreateJS stage by providing the canvas that we want to draw on. In our game, there is only one canvas, but in some situations, we may have multiple canvas elements, so we need to tell CreateJS which canvas we want to control. Then we set up the CreateJS ticker. The ticker is like a clock that keeps running at a desired frames per second. We set it to 60 frames per second to make the game animation play smooth. By default, we need to manually refresh the stage. This is designed by intention so that the developers have control on when to clear the drawings. In our game, we want to clear the screen and redraw every time. The simple way is to add the stage to the ticker's tick event. Now the stage is cleared and redraws on every tick. We want to test if the library works. We also need to draw a testing circle. We do that by using CreateJS shape and draw the circle by using the graphics with a filling color. Then we add this shape to the stage. Let's open the html.index in Canary browser, and we now can see a yellow circle is drawn on the canvas. Awesome! In the next video, we're going to prepare the graphics for the game.